Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this July the 26th, 2023. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Hope everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Thursday and Friday. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at the Watches Warded Advisory map. Also, we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center overview and a few other products, and take a look at the tropics for that little tropical feature out into the tropical Atlantic, which has a 30% chance of further development in the next 7 days. Okay, if you're a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me if you do not mind. If you like my daily forecast content, go ahead and smash it and you're in. You get my forecast twice per day. Also like these videos and share these videos on social media. And let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. And we're going to dive on into your forecast now. Oh, as you can see here, we got quiet conditions for Quebec, Canada, down to Montreal, portion of Toronto, Canada, all the way down to portion of Michigan, Indiana, Illinois, also in the portion of Iowa, down through portion of Missouri, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, portion of South Carolina, also into North Carolina as well, also through Dallas, Texas area, also back down into the Gulf of Mexico, also into the Mexico, Los Angeles, San Francisco, toward Nevada, port of Utah, Idaho, Oregon, Washington State, around Seattle, Washington, also around Vancouver, Canada, also as well, and also right across northern Michigan, Minnesota, and also down into South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, and portion of Oklahoma and Arkansas, as well. Alright, through portion of Oregon, all the way into portion of North Dakota, down through South Dakota, down through Denver, Colorado, also down into New Mexico, and also into portion of Arizona, and also right along the Arizona-Mexico border. We got some showers and thunderstorms down here around the Houston area, also down toward the Panhandle, Florida, also central and southern Florida, around the Florida Keys, also more shower and storm over here, portion of Missouri, over toward Kansas, also into Minnesota, also into Wisconsin, also down towards Chicago, Illinois, and also into Michigan. Also more showers and storms around the Atlanta metro area, all up towards Ohio, and also into Pennsylvania, all the way to Maine. Also including Boston, New York, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., and right along coastal areas of South Carolina there as well for your Thursday. Red slashed area, flash flooding and heavy rain possible, and also in the yellow slashed area, maybe some severe weather possible on your Thursday. Alright. We're moving on to your Friday forecast now. You can see we got quiet conditions there from Quebec, Canada, down to Montreal, across southern Canada, back to Vancouver, Canada as well. Also around the Seattle, Washington area, back in the portion of Montana, Idaho, Francisco, Los Angeles, down to the Gulf of California, Mexico, and southern, central, northern Mexico, that is. Also into Texas, also from Louisiana, the portion of Missouri, Illinois, to Kentucky, to Atlanta, Georgia area, also down toward the Albany, Georgia area as well, and also the central South Carolina, portion of central and eastern North, and southeastern portion of Mexico border through New Mexico as well, and the Denver, Colorado, scattered activity of portion of western Wyoming, also western Montana, also more central and eastern Montana, back over to North and South Dakota, Minnesota, down to portion of Missouri, also into Kansas, Illinois, over towards Chicago, Illinois, Wisconsin, you're included, Toronto, Canada, you included as well, Chicago, Illinois, all the way down toward western North Carolina, upstate South Carolina as well. Also in the Panhandle and the Big Bend area of Florida, down to the Florida Key, Miami area, also in the portion of South Carolina, also from Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, New York, Boston, some shower and storm for you guys, also toward New Hampshire, Maine, also New York State, and Pennsylvania, and also Ohio as well. In the yellow slashed area, maybe some severe weather possible in that region. Alright, weather radar time. Yeah, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation here and see what's happening in your local forecast area. Okay, here we go, folks. As you can see, here we got there. Also over central and southern Florida there as well. Puerto Rico got a few scattered showers on the island, but south side more numerous. We got also at Louisiana, to portions of Toronto and Montreal area of Canada. We'll be moving into as well, more wide as well. Southern Nevada, southern portions of Arizona and New Mexico, scattered showers there. A little bit in the UK, and also we got some scattered showers over portions of central and southern Alaska. Guam, you getting hammered by a little tropical future. Excuse me. It's a lot of rainfall and gusty winds and heavy rainfall and some frequent lightning and all that good stuff that comes with severe weather. All right. Now, watch advisory time for your location across the nation. Okay, computer a little slow today again, so sorry about that, but here we go, we up. As you can see, advisory is also for portion of Maine all the way down to northeastern North Carolina, including Virginia, Washington, D.C. area, all the way up into New York State. Air quality alerts down here in portions of North Carolina, around the Charlotte area, toward Asheville, North Carolina, eastern Tennessee, around the Atlanta metro area, and southwest of the city. Also over here in portion of Alabama there as well. Also we got flood watch there for southern portions of Florida. Special weather statement there as well. All right, we got a large real estate heat advisory for portions of Texas. We got some down in South Texas too, but from North Texas all the way up into South Dakota, all the way over to Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois, also in effect. Air quality alerts for portions of Michigan, and also some ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for portions of New York State, Pennsylvania, and also Northeast Ohio as well. All right, sets of heat warnings over here in portions of southern and western portions of Arizona, southern Nevada, southern California. We got heat advisories also for portions of Colorado, New Mexico, and California. Air quality alerts here in portions of Oregon, and portions of Nevada. Also red flag warning there as well. Also over the portion of Idaho and northern portion of Montana. Got a few severe thunderstorm warnings for North Dakota, and also over the portion of Wyoming as well. Special weather statements also for port of Colorado, Utah, and also Nevada as well. Special weather statements for central Alaska and also south side of Hawaii and Chain Island. Got gale warnings there. North side looks a-okay. Alrighty. Slowly coming up. up here in portions of the Great Lakes region with widespread showers and storms in the slight risk area. Over here in the Midwest, I mean, all right, there we go right here. Slight risk up here in the the Ohio River Valley. Also over here in marginal risk, slight risk over here in the plains, and also portions of the upper Midwest, and also a little bit over here in portions of Arizona. Current watches. Sorry my computer's slow, but we're slowly getting through the forecast here. Toward northwestern PA. MDS discussion. As well, do some severe weather, but no watches are currently in effect. Fire weather. Elevated risk over Montana, northern Montana, southern, southwestern Montana, all the way back into Nevada. Critical fire weather with northwestern Nevada and southern portion of Oregon. And let's take a look at the tropical weather outlook. We're gonna wrap up this video with it. And that'll take care of this forecast segment here. I'm sorry about the computer being so slow. It does it sometimes. It be slow. Sometimes it's fast. Alright. Here it is right here. Here's the system right here. Right, marks the spot. Then over here in the yellow, this is the 30% risk. Right now it's 0% right now. And then it'll be over here. It should be at a 30%. For a gradual development of this system later this week and into the weekend while it moves westward to west-northwestward over the tropical Atlantic. Well, that wraps up today's video. I hope everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos. Consider subscribing if you have not. And we'll catch you back in the next video. Have a great Wednesday evening.